Happy Monday, everybody! Hello, welcome back to German AutoHaus, and here is our week. Let's introduce one beautiful car. I like say always beautiful because that car is beautiful. Now the car is in a hoist. Let's go take a look. It's a Ferrari 308 GTB, and let me just like little bit up. You can see the big runners over there. It's individual throttle body, and that engine is built. The owner said it's something push 600 MA horsepower, and it's turned over 10,000 RPM. Our goal finish exhaust because car have just two pipe. Lisa work on custom stainless steel open valve exhaust system, but of course we will show you when we finish. Our blue Betty sitting cylinder head. Next week we install the cylinder head and start pull that car on dyna Scuderia. Finish it. It's have a problem with the fuel mixture. Little misfire. We replace spark plugs. We replace auto sensor, and AC compressor is been big challenge with that. When we take off the pan, the clutch system, the clutch is gone. The bolt is snapped from the head, and piece of the clutch follow down and leave on a belly pan. We replace AC compressor. Now it's ready to time attack, but we'll see. This is about Audi. Here is our project built. We have a separate vlog. This is Alpina B7. Now sorry for mess everywhere, but this is different vlog. 488, just a regular service. Aventador AC check, and McLaren few inspection after engine swap. And today we talk about Ferrari Scuderia, and it has problem with the misfire. Some car is little bit like close to 40,000 miles. The car has problem with misfire, losing power. And what we did on this car, first we replace spark plugs, and second we replace auto sensors because they show wrong reading. And after that we get the trouble code P0024 about the timing. And here is the issue. Let me show you. The first need to check cam. Here is the cam actuator, cam solenoid, and little bit wet, but exhaust it's damaged. Okay, you can see how it looks wires, and I think they short, and because oil, and here is the issue. Now we need to clean, fix these wires, and then fire up and check again. Well, this Scuderia bring more question. Yeah, we fixed the harness, but issue is still same, and we decide to replace all four camshaft adjuster solenoid. It's a bit expensive and take more time, but this is our next step. I hope it's not a problem with the cam variator, but it's a possibility problem with that. But of course, first we start with the cam actuator, because if need to replace cam phaser, it's a big job. I need to pull out the engine. Anyway, we have this Supercharger R8. The company installed the DF Supercharger kit, and actually after couple hundred miles they have start making sound like squeaking sound, and we need to replace the pulleys. We have 4 different pulleys. It's a guide pulleys. This is what we're planning to do today. And also McLaren 720 we break apart again. And funniest things, we have oil leak from this unit, and I don't know, it's possible now to see, it's a dripping from this area. Maybe this plug is broken or this plug, but we have a leak, and this is how the car looks now. Also, we have two actual problems. The first one with this this is intercooler water line. Somebody install aftermarket lighting. This one, I don't know, this is some stupid shit. Some lights. Yeah, this, we need to remove these wires. And when they install this light, they bent this line, and this line touched the radiator, and it's likely it's edge of radiator, and just start rubbing, make the hole. Lisa already weld this pipe, and because that line, this is like one line and going from this area to the other side, and I don't know how to remove and replace this line because the oil tank, the fuel tank over there, it's a big job. Anyway, we welded, we good, and now is the without intake manifold. I already reassembled, found the problem. We have a new unit, new gasket. Yeah, just need to install and make sure no any leak. Back to McLaren and start work with the R8. Seattle. We have one more cool car, and we have a big plumbing system installation on this beautiful SV. Looks good. I don't know about the fitment. The first time we touched this system. Brilliant.
Something like that.
Oh, let me flip this. Tips. Yeah, the brilliant one. I mean, it looks good. Let's see how is the quality, how is the sound, because that big horn looks really interesting. Well, we done many times, guys. We post already about the SV or any other Aventador. We don't want to concentrate on this and film, because for us it's like pam and that's it. Anyway, I just wanna show a little bit about fitment. This is like, let's make our review about that exhaust, right?
When we're done.
Yeah, when we're done. Because my really important thing is the test pipe installation. It's really difficult on any Aventador, and if that fitment is not good, Houston, we have a problem.
Did you find $1 million? Oh, no.
Oh, I just like thinking about how to install this downpipe. Oh, okay, I have dilemma now. Let me show you some. I don't like this design. Okay, here is the original downpipes, right? And here is the flanges, what is installed inside the headers, and also we have a seal over there, right? You know, yeah, it have to be sealed. And this is a little bit easier because you have like a central pin, right, to install and adjust, align. Yeah.
Locking pin.
It is already wrapped. See, it's nothing, no pin. And I already, I mean, now it's for me install this seal. It's impossible because I don't have so many hands to hold this seal, install the clamps, hold this test pipe, right? Okay, I just super glue it. I mean, it works. Yeah, super glue it. This to seal before installation, but it's much more difficult than you just like. You remember how many installed the Capristo or any other like FI we did before, and we just I pre-fit and you hold this way, and then I'm with my another head just adjust the clamps from the angle what I need and tight, right? Now I don't know. I mean, it's a little bit more difficult, but my first things, let's try. Let's try to take a look. Here is my challenge for now. Well, a couple weeks later, after we think it's a problem with the connection, but sometimes it's problem with the connection, we got a new sensor. We have all 4 of them, and now we think it's problem with the sensor because common issue, and this phaser is so many different. They call it variator control solenoid, VVTi control solenoid, like, but this is same. We need to replace, we thinking this one, and many people complain about fail of this sensor. Car is low miles, and I'm sure this problem, not problem with the timing. I hope it's not a phaser, because either way we have to drop the engine for that replacement. Yeah, you can see how is the car looks for that replacement. It's the same than valve cover gasket job. Yeah, except we need to replace. This is just a 1 bolt. Well, I want to cross my finger. Today I want to finish this car and check. I continue work on this guy. Now it's one side is done. I'm jumped to another side, and Alex work on Performante. Performante. You can see the Performante. And what cool with this car? That car is it's green turbo. You can see inside a lot of cool things we do for this car. Oil change, and actually here is the catch can. We just need a drain. It's a lot of wires. You can see this pipe. This is from return line. This is some pump. Yeah, it's cool car, really powerful. This is underground racing stage 3, I believe, build. This is full forged build, internals, billet transmission, and this car push something around 1400 wheel horse. Powerful. But yeah, I need to finish this car today. Okay, the left side is almost finished. I replace heat shield to the another one to protect this connection, and that side, another side too. And this is old one, the new one, it's a little bit different. And of course I clean connection by connector cleaners. Now I need to install a few more things. This guy and fuel line, like okay, almost. Retorque this nut and install one more heat shield over there. Where is my wrench? Because I don't want to forget tie the fuel line. Done. Make sure this side needs retorqued. It's good. And I need these pliers. Good. Okay, one more shield and I need to install this cradle. Well, now it's time to install this big cradle. Like this. Just like here. Oop, 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 oop. Oop, 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 oop. Okay, this one. this side. Okay, leave these hoses. And we have to slide in like that. Yep. This one too. Oh, no, just like, hold on, up a little bit. Yeah. So many hoses. Here, and there. These hoses. Yeah, we need to move a little bit these lines. And this one. And yeah, this cover. Okay, here we go. Thank you guys. Yeah, we already in. Just like me to move our lines on the right place. And ta-da! A lot of bolts. Install the gearbox in gearbox mount. And fire up. The exhaust system is done. We showed you another vlog. This is how it looks. 600 horse engine. And here is our system. Valvetronic is done. Really soon we upload this video on Steso Performance YouTube channel, but I have to back to Ferrari. Well guys, it's done. And this is why I'm outside. Car is running perfect. Everything looks good. I already assembled back. You can see all carbon interior in engine compartment, let's say interior, and interior too. There's doors, consoles, everything with the carbon. And here is the carbon intake, air boxes and side cover. Okay, let's go to test drive to check. And by the way, let me cold start this car first. You can see the car is sitting just outside. Loud. Okay, let's go to test drive. Let's go. First gear, manual mode. They have extra button. Quiet, loudy. Let's try and catch the ticket, the warning ticket. Always carry this car, it's really nice, and this is Scuderia. Let's turn valve on. And now I can tell test drive is good, car is running. It's now a lot of power, but I need to finish one more thing, adjust the engine oil level, and cars have to be warm and run at idle. For sure we warm up that engine, yeah, but it's really hot, be careful.